Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, true meaning of radiance. Today's video is actually going to be a pink, as you can see I got my pink shirt on, a pink Victoria's Secrets haul. This is actually my birthday haul. Go shorty, it's your birthday. Okay, my birthday was March 28th, and last month my dad actually knows what store I love, which is Victoria's Secret. He did give me some money, and I did put on my Victoria's Secret card. That way, as sales came in and trickled in, I could buy stuff for my birthday from Victoria's Secrets. So these items are actually courtesy of Dad. Thank you, Dad. It was my birthday present from my dad. I'm so excited because I bought things on different days. I'm glad he gave me the money early so I could put it on the card. That way I could buy as sales came in, so I didn't have to pay a lot of money, and I had discounts, because who likes to pay regular rate? Not I. Y'all know I don't pay regular rate for nothing. Excuse me, no makeup. It is what it is. No makeup. Are we ever gonna put makeup on this channel? We will, I promise. Next video I have my face did, okay? Just not this video, okay? Because I want to hurry up and put this stuff away, because I've been holding on to this stuff for like maybe a week or two. It's like 4 bags, so we're gonna just get into it. I'm gonna grab the first bag. It's all body care, so we're gonna start with the body care. So the first item here is a little gift set they had. I was eyeing it forever, so when I know that the money hit my card, this was one of the first things that I got. It was only $24.99, so it was normally like 60 something or 70 something for the gift set, and this is in Love Star. Lovely Lavender Whip was talking about it, and now she goes by Mrs. Smith. And that's what it looks like. This is a great value for only $24.99. It's so cute, the packaging, and it opens up, because I accidentally dropped it. So that's how I know it opens, but it opens up right there, and boom, you get to use your pretty little set. So I really do like this. It comes with shimmer oil. It comes, oh, it opens all the way up. It comes with the shimmer oil. It comes with a mini Love Star perfume, the full star Love Star perfume, and a fragrance wash. So it looks just like that, and the packaging is so cute that I'm just going to keep it all together. The next item I got was the Victoria's Secret Bombshell Summer. This is the Eau de Perfume. It looks just like this. I hope the lighting is not washing it out, but this is what it looks like. I'm going to open it up. It smells so good. The Bombshell line just smells good in itself, but the summer line is super cute and it smells amazing. I'm going to spray some now, actually. Oh, it smells so good, and you don't need a lot. Please don't overspray. You don't need a lot, but it's so cute. Look at the packaging. It was on sale for $19.99, so I got that too. The normal price I think for this one was like $56, so $19.99 was a great steal. I also got the matching lotion. The lotion normally runs $25, and it was $7.99 on the website. They might still have the Bombshell summer lotion on the site. I normally don't get the lotions because the lotions are running, and they're just not the best lotions, but I heard good things about this one. It smells pretty good too. So I'm going to be pairing it in the summertime with the Bombshell Summer. So I'm going to use them both together. I did pick up 2 of the cloud washes. The cloud washes are now on clearance, so I guess they're getting rid of them or something. But they were only $4.99. So I picked up the cloud wash in Rush, because everybody was talking about Rush smells so good. So I was like, nice way to try what Rush smells like, to get the cloud wash. So I got it in Rush, and then I got it in Pure Seduction. I already have it in Love Spell, so now I have like 3 of them, and I think that's plenty. They normally run $18 and was only $4.99, so of course I had to snag it up. And the last 2 items are actually from the new line, and these were going for $6, so that was an excellent deal. I got Electric Beach. Looks just like that. The notes on this one says pink bikini, sugar fruits, drink it in. So that's that one. And then I got the Neon Palms, and this one says Orchard Sky, Coconut Chill, Float Away, and it looks just like that. These 2 had the cutest packaging in my opinion. The other 2 were kind of bland, and I don't know, I don't need any more sprays, and I just don't need any more sprays. So 2 was enough out of the 4 that came out, because as I told you guys, and I think it was probably the video before this, I don't know when they're gonna come out, but me and the kids are moving. We got a different place, so I'm trying not to buy too much, because the reason why we're moving is because I want to buy a house here within the next year or two, and I wanted to make sure where I am living now is just extremely overpriced for no reason. So I'm going somewhere a little bit cheaper so I can save more money so I can buy a house, because I want to be a homeowner. I see all these YouTubers on here, homeowners, and I'm trying to be a homeowner too. So I'm trying to buy me a house too. So if I can save up and be a homeowner, I'd rather be a homeowner than paying somebody else's rent. You feel? So this next bag is just clothing from Pink. The cool thing is everything in this bag only came up to $27.86. Yes, everything in this bag, $27.86. The first item in the bag I can't show you because that was a part of a different order, so I'll show you after. But everything else in this bag, everything right here, was $27.86 because they gave me $10 off for my birthday. They sent me a $15 off for my birthday. They sent me another Pink Nation member $10 off for my birthday. Plus, I had a coupon from when I spent $20 before. I had a $20 reward, so it was 20 off 50. So everything came up to $27 in this bag, which is a steal. So the first thing is these shorts right here. Don't worry, these is lounge around the house shorts. I don't think I'm wearing these outside the house, y'all. I really don't. These are the Pink shorts, and they have the cheetah print on them. Is what they look like. They look just like this. They have pink around the whole belt thing. I think this is really, really cute, but they are short. So I don't see myself being out with the kids, fighting with kids, wearing booty shorts. Like, if that's what you do with your kids, then that's fine. But this is something I see myself wearing more around the house or to the pool or something like that, but not to the grocery store. These shorts, however, are shorts I can wear out with the kids. We're having a good time. We're going to the park. We're going to play. We're running errands. These shorts, these are the boyfriend shorts, would be perfect for that. They're appropriate. They're long shorts and they're baggy. So I have plenty of room and they have pockets too. So this one is ones I would wear outside the house more often than those Daisy Dukes on. Okay, I'm not trying to be that girl with the Daisy Dukes on. Okay, so I got those two pair. And for the $27, I also got this shirt right here. It just says Pink. And the crazy thing is this shirt is an extra small. I didn't know it was an extra small until like today. I was on Today, okay? Today years old when I found out this was an extra small, because I thought it was an extra large, and it was on clearance. But this thing is big. Like, this is an extra small? Where is this extra small? And this fits just fine. It fits just fine, and it's gonna fit just fine. I think they probably mislabeled it as an extra small, because this is a large. This is not no extra small. I don't care what the tag says. The tag's wrong. That's probably why it was on clearance, because the tag's wrong, because that is not an extra small. That, my friend, is a large. So again, all that was $27.28. So let's move on to the next shirt. The next shirt I got was this shirt right here. It was on clearance. I actually ordered it when I ordered the perfumes and stuff. So this one was on clearance and I got an additional 30% off it, so it was really, really cheap. But it has 86 on it, which y'all know I was born in 86, my birth year, and it says Pink, and it's just super cute. I really do like it. These shirts, some of these shirts are go for me, some are a no for me. A lot of their new shirts are a no for me. They're starting to bore me. But the clearance stuff, sometimes they have some really nice shirts that wow me. Like the one I have on today, this is unique. This is different. I really do like it. I wish Pink would come up with more uniqueness than just slapping Pink on the t-shirt and saying, here, let me charge you $30 for this shirt because it says Pink on it. Or let me give you a special where it's $25. No. This shirt right here, $16.99, and then you got additional percentage off of this. And it's unique, and I really do like it. Like this shirt, unique. I like it. So Pink need to get it together. And from the Victoria's Secret side, I did get a sleep pajama outfit. The sleep pajama outfit, they're two separate pieces. They were $34.50 each, but they were half off. That's why I say I don't pay full price, y'all. I don't be trying to pay full price for nothing. I swear, if I can find a deal, I can find it. So I got, this is how this deal worked. That's why I'm so happy my dad let me just, he sent me the money and I just put it on my Victoria's Secret card because I knew how I wanted to do it and break everything up, so I got good deals. So the way this deal went was, it was, the pieces were half off, plus they had some kind of coupon for $10 off because they got a new website or something. So I got an additional $10 off on top of this all being half off. So this is the top. It's one of those sleep shirt tops, but it's like a half shirt type thing, I guess. So that's what it looks like, and it says Victoria. Does it say? No, it says love all over it throughout, and then there's the back. And then they have the matching bottoms, and this is the bottoms, and they say the same thing. They say love all around. And again, the regular price for each item, $34.50, and this is silk. $34.50 for each piece. I got each piece for half off, and then an additional $10 off. Y'all going in these stores, y'all better do it on the budget. I better not be seeing y'all in there paying regular rate. If y'all in there paying regular rate, shame on you, because you do not have to. And there's always a coupon if you're on the mailer list. And the last set of things you might want to click out now if you're easily offended by underwear, but they were doing a special, y'all. 10 pair, okay? 10 pair for it was 10 for $27.50. Yeah, I think that's what it was. 10 for $27.50. And this time I took advantage of a lot of Victoria's Secret underwear. I know last time when I had the 10 for 20, no, or was it 10 for $34.50? I can't remember. It was 10 for something. It was 10 for something. And last time they had it, I got all pink underwear. This time I got mainly Victoria's Secret underwear and a lot of seamless underwear, because guess what? It's seamless underwear time. So the first pair, these are just a pair of seamless underwear. They're kind of like a high brief kind, and I really do like them. I love this pattern. This to me is just so edgy, and it's just edgy. So I love these. So I had to get those. I got a pair of high-waisted brief ones. They look just like that with the hearts all over it from Victoria's Secret. And I like the lace across the band. The next pair is actually just a black pair of the seamless. So I have more seamless underwear. And these were my favorite that made the whole order happen. These are the high brief like ones. It says Victoria's Secret. And I just thought these were really, really cute. So I got these ones. Another pair of the lace waist ones in black. I thought these would be really nice, you know, period underwear. You know, you gotta have your period draws, so I thought that would be cute. I got these extra large, and these are an extra large, the Victoria's Secret ones. I got these ones right here. It says Victoria's Secret, just written in all different type of things. I thought these were so cute, and these are seamless, so I got those. These are really cute, briefs, and they just say Victoria's Secret everywhere. I really like those. Another pair of seamless, and they look just like that. They're really, really pretty, especially with the hearts. I got a pair of Victoria's Secret boy shorts, only one pair, and I like the Victoria's Secret across the band. Looks just like that. And these are just another pair of period panties. You gotta say it low so people don't get offended, you know, and flow panties right here. Got another pair of them. And then the last two come from Pink. Now, one of these I wish I would have got more of, because it was so cute. So basically, these are just black boy shorts, and it has the rainbow band. So I got a pair of those. But the ones I wish I would have got at least two more of, and they had them in stock. I just don't know why I just didn't add two more. It would have been $7 more. But these ones, they're black, but they have the band, and then they have the dog, and it has the rainbow dog. Like, look at that. These are so cute. And this is the front. Yeah, this is the front. So in the front, the doggy's in the front. I think this is super, super cute, and I wish I would have got more pair of these. I should have got like two more, because I don't know, I'm gonna hardly ever wear these, because I don't want to lose the design in the band, well, in the band in the underwear, because it's really, really cute. So that's it, guys. That's everything I got from Victoria's Secret's Pink. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Make sure that you rate, comment, subscribe, that you tell somebody about the video. What was your favorite item of what I showed? To me, my favorite item had to be, even though underwear is so much fun, I love buying underwear. My favorite piece of everything that I bought where is it? Is this shirt. Out of everything that I got for my birthday from that store was this shirt. This was my favorite, and it was at a great steal, so this was my favorite. Again, I want to thank you, Dad, for the haulage. You gave me a video, plus you gave me my wants, so thank you, Dad, for that. And I'm gonna jump off here because I gotta put all this stuff away. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.